Hey guys, how's it going? This is Sean Horndash from Mimo. I'm currently at the PASS conference, and we're here showcasing Flashcast. What Flashcast is a visual overlay device with any HDMI input. So you take an HDMI in and HDMI out, you connect to the network either via Wi-Fi or through a PoE connection, and now you can take any HDMI source device, projector, TV, smart board, anything that has an HDMI input, and put an overlay over that device. It doesn't interrupt anything in the background. It actually sits there dormant until you need it. It does have built-in CEC commands to wake up, change input, shut the screen off. And let me just show you a quick alert in action. We currently have an integration with Raptor as well. So through Raptor's system and through that integration, we're able to push an alert to our device. In just a moment, as the clouds talk to each other, it will then pop that message up on there. And that is Flashcast. If you have any questions, please do go to our website at mimomonitors.com. Thanks.